everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we are going to continue on with the book of $5 safe. What are they? I can't see because the sun's glaring. Safe cracker crosswords. I have 5 more tickets that I'm going to be scratching off in today's video. I have ticket number 70 through 74, and we're going to continue on with them. So let's get going. I hope you guys are all having a great day. We're going to do it where I scratch off these and then we see if we can make words. You'll see what I'm talking about. I'm outside today and we have bees by me, which is always great. Okay, so we have an M. I think what we're gonna do is scratch all of them off. And then we're gonna just go in and see if we can make any words. So we have the N-O-B. Do we have an L? We have an L. Do we have a Y? No Y. Q. Yes, we got a Q. We got the Q. We got the E, and we got the E. So we got the one word. We just need 3 words to make our money back. L-U-R, no R. A-S-P, no P. A-D-O, we got the A-D-O. P, no P. No R, no R. Let's, oh, joyful. No Y, right? No Y, no. So C-L, no T, no T, no Y. No R, no R. D-E-W, yep. Ah, we got our $5 back, you guys. O-A, no R, no Y, no R, no T. Okay, so no T, we didn't get that one. Going across, D-A-S-H, we got dash. Tell me, you guys, if you guys like this way of me doing it, or would you rather me do word for or letter by letter? I like to do it either way. No R, no K. No, we got a K. K-N. Oh, no T. No Y. Going down, we got no T. No R. No Y. No T. So we got $5 on this ticket. Let's scan it and see. $5 winner. $5 winner. We're starting off strong, you guys. Starting off strong. Okay, let's scratch off the letters again. We got a B, F, Q, R, L, V, S, J, I, X, P, W, Y, A, O, K, C, M, D. Okay, going down. We got the D, we got the I, we got the S. We don't have a C. No, we got the C and we got the O. Wait, D, yep. First word we have P, R, A, C, T, no T, no T, no T. F, do we get an F? F, O, U, do we have a U? No U. K, I, N, no N, no U, no T. So no N, no T, no T, no T, no N, U, R, R, U, no U, no N, no N, F-L-E-C. Okay, we got fleece. I have a scratcher coming in today, which I'm super excited about. No T. It looks like we didn't win on top. Did we get the bonus word? No G. No T. Oh, we got sky. No N. No T. Down we got 2 words. One more. We win $5. No T. No N. No N. No T. We did not win on this one. Let's scan it and see. Not a winner. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that because it's bright out here. It's bright. Okay. Moving on to ticket number 72. We're almost to the end of the pack, you guys, which is exciting. Our letters are J, H, D, G, K, X, U, W, O, I, S, Y, E, F, T, M, C, R, V, Q. So E, G, O, we got ego. We have the U. Did we get an A? No A. U, R. Do we have an R? We have an R. Did we get an N? No N. No A. No N. H, O, O, K. H, did we get an A? Yeah. O, O, did we get a K? Yes. We got hook. One more for $5 back. No A. No N. S, I, D, E, S, T, did we get a P? No P. No A. No P. No A. No P. Okay, going across. No A. No A. No N. B. Did we get a B? No B. No P. No N. No A. No P. And no A. Nothing on top. We did not get an A, so we did not get the bonus word. Going down, no P, no A, no N, no N, R-E-D. We got red. No N. No. Going across, no A, no A. Ooh, did we get this? No Q. G-U-I. We got guide. Okay, nothing on ticket number 72, but let's check it to make sure. You always want to scan them just to make sure. Oh, we won $5. See? See, I'm missing something here. Missing something. What am I missing? I just don't see it. But I'll just have to leave it on the screen, and then we'll find it later for me. He's good at finding them for me that I miss. Okay, moving on to ticket number 73, you guys. Our letters are M, Y, H, Z, E, U, N, V, F, K, O, A, G, L, J, P, X, B, and Q, W. So we did not get an I, so no I. I did get an F. T? What about T? No T. So no I or no T. What about an R? Do we have an R? No R. No I. No R. No T. No I. No T. No T. Going down. P. Did we get a P? We did get a P. Right? And we got an A. Yep. F, no R, no R, M, U, C, did we get a C? No C, C, no I, A-H-O-Y. We got another word. P-O... No D, right? No D. C-A-G? No C. No C. And no I. So nothing on top. No T. We did not get the bonus word. V. Did we get a V? V. We got no R, right? No R. So no R. No C. No T. B. Did we get a W? We got a W. Did we get an O? Oh, got another word. Two more. Okay, I think that's it for going L-O. Two words. One more. So no T, no T, no R, no R, no T, no C, and no R. So nothing on ticket number 73, but let's scan it. Let's scan it, and it's not a winner. Not a winner. Okay, last ticket, you guys. Ticket number 74. Ticket number 74 here. We have BF, PQ, AD, OG, UJKX, NYSL, VHTI. Okay, let's go down. Did we get a Z? No Z. T. Did we get a C? No C. And no I. R. No R. No H. Nope, we got an H. We got an H. Did we get a G? No I, right? No I. No A. S-E-T. Two words. No I. No I. C-O. No C, right? No C. S-W. No W. Let's go across. No T. No, we got a T. No R, right? Yeah, no R. No Z. No Z. No I. O and G. Oh, you guys, we got it. We got $5 at least. No I. No I. No I. No I. No I. Okay, no Z. Moving on to this puzzle. We'll go across. A, B. We got the B. No. So no R. No I. C, O, B. Okay. We got another word. No R. No R. Moving on down. B, U. Did we get a U and an S? So we got another word. No, B, or O, B, E, Y. Oh, hey. This should be a $10 ticket, you guys. At least. No I. Let's scan it and see if we won $10. $10 winner, you guys. So we scratched off $25 in tickets and we won $20 back. That is only a $5 loss. Not bad. Make sure you guys subscribe so you do not miss out on me scratching off the rest of this book of tickets. I hope you guys have a great day and we will see you in the next one. Bye.